Hello, everyone. This is lecture series about AWS and machine learning, and AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Current topic for this lecture is data types and data transformations for machine learning, and this is part four of these data types and data transformation for machine learning. And this lecture could be watched at at individual level. If you would like to know more know about remove punctuation transformation, but if you want to know all about data types and data transformations, please watch previous three lectures in this series, and this is lecture number 24. So what you need to do if you want to watch all about data types and data transformations, go back to 23, 22, and 21 and come back to this lecture. Although you can start watching this lecture straightforward if you are interested in this topic. Let's move quickly. Just to recap, okay, this will be about remove punctuation transformation. And to recap, we are talking about data types and variables. Could be numeric, categorical, text, and at the moment we are dealing with text one. And let's understand the topic in hand. So, as this course is about Amazon Web Services and machine learning, hence I would like to mention that Amazon Machine Learning implicitly splits inputs marked as text in the data schema on white spaces. So, punctuation in the string ends up either adjoining word tokens or as separate tokens entirely, depending on the white space surrounding it. So remember, if this is undesirable, if you don't want this, the punctuation remover transformation then may be used to remove punctuation symbols from generated features. So we are talking about the features generated from the text. Okay, just remember that. So for example, given the string, welcome to AML hyphen or space hyphen space, please fasten your seat belts. If you see seat belts is with a hyphen and exclamation mark at the end, the following set of token is implicitly generated. So if you see welcome to Amazon ML hyphen and please fasten your seat belts, okay, you are getting these tokens. So applying the punctuation remover processor to this setting results in the set. So if you are going to now use a punctuation remover, so what you will see, if you see this hyphen is gone from the set of tokens, okay, but this remains, okay. And then this is to note that only the prefix and the suffix punctuation marks are removed, okay. Punctuation that appear in the middle of the token, for example hyphen in seatbelts, are not removed. To apply punctuation remover to the variable var1, you need to follow this syntax, okay. And so that's all. Please subscribe if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. In the meanwhile, I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember, sharing is caring. So don't hesitate to share these videos with your friends, family, colleagues, whoever is interested in data science, AWS, and machine learning. And that's just time to say goodbye. Stay blessed.